Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from Exotic Gardening, Experimental Homesteader, SheriAnnRicherson.com, and biannualblogathonbash.com. That's a mouthful. And I'm here today to talk to you about an organic gardening subscription box. I do need to tell you up front that I did receive this box for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. So this is the Seed Plant Bloom Organic Gardening Subscription Box right here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you today. This is what it looks like on all the four sides, and then of course on the back. I wanted to mark my address out there. This is a very nice box, and I did get it last week. So I've had a chance to go through what is inside of it, and then I wanted to do this unboxing for you. So when you open it up, this is what you're going to see. Very, very nice. And this makes a great, great gift item just because of the way it's packaged. This is, oops, 1 second please. Okay. This is a little tricky trying to do this, and I suspect I'm not going to put that back in the right place, but anyway, this is what it looks like inside. And so you get a small packet of information, and I really like the little sticker there. When you open it up, it gives you a thank you, and then it tells you what's in the box. Okay, I think this first one is all about the reviews and the affiliate program. And then the second paper, again, it tells you a little bit about what's going on in the box. It talks a little bit about the peat pots that come with it. And it also asks you to do a review. There is a coupon code that came with mine, and I don't want to show that because I assume that that is just for subscribers only. Inside of the box are these garden gloves, and I thought being tied like this was a really nice little touch. I'm really excited about these because if you're a gardener, you know you go through a lot of garden gloves. So this is definitely a useful product that a lot of people can get use out of. You also get a bag of earthworm castings. And I have to say, if you have not tried earthworm castings in your garden, even if you just grow in containers, you're really missing out. Earthworm castings are just a wonderful, wonderful garden amendment. And I'm really excited about getting these. These look very, very nice from what I can see, and so excited about that. I need to move a couple things because that made the box top heavy. You get some peat pots, and again, this is a nice little touch. Maybe not necessary, but nice. I'm sure people can find a use for that. This is a butterfly mix, and I really love that because pollinators are so very important. And putting something in a gardening box like this that's not only beautiful, but is going to help the pollinators around us is really meaningful to me. So, and then you get a few little peat pellets like this. I like peat pellets. I know you probably can't see behind me inside of my flats back there, but I use a lot of peat pellets. So very, very useful. And then you get a nice packet of seeds. And again, I like how they're tied together because they're just not scattered all inside of the box, so that's very nice. In this box, there are some golden beets. I also really like that the pictures and the information are on here because that's very helpful, especially to new gardeners or gardeners who are not as familiar with some of these plants. You get some barrels of Ireland, which are just absolutely gorgeous. You get Snow's Fancy Pickling Cucumbers. You get some dragon carrots. bouquet dill, and another hummingbird and butterfly mix. And when you go to sign up for these boxes, it does ask you a lot of questions, such as, do you grow in the sun? Do you grow in the shade? You know, is it partial? What do you like to grow? You know, flowers, vegetables, indoor plants. So there's a lot of questions that you fill out when you sign up for these boxes. This is a monthly subscription box, but I also know that she has an option to try the box just one time. She had a lovely Mother's Day gift box that went out, and so I'm suspecting there's going to be other gift boxes throughout the year. I don't know that, but I would imagine since she did a Mother's Day box, there's going to be other specials. And like I said, I really like that you can try the box one time if you want to give it a try. Get the box, and there's no commitment. Otherwise, you can sign up and you can get a box every single month out of the year, which again is really, really great. I am looking forward myself to digging into this box and starting to make use of some of the seeds and those earthworm castings, as well as the gardening gloves, because like I said, that's really, really a useful item that everybody can use another pair of. And I really like how this box is set up. Trying to put it back together because I want to show you the front of it one more time. There are different levels of subscription boxes. This was the center level subscription box, which I believe was $39.95 a month if you wanted to get something like this every month. I know that she has a lower subscription box, and then she also has one that's a little bit higher so you can see what is inside of it. You know, do you just want seeds? Do you want seeds along with a gardening tool? Or I forget what the third one is, but like I said, there's at least 3 different ones. And this would make a lovely gift for any gardener in your life, including yourself. Don't forget yourself. Because, you know, as gardeners, we all love surprises. So again, this is an organic gardening subscription box. It is called Seed Plant Bloom. And I really, really encourage you to go check this out. I will put a link below to help you find her page just as soon as I conclude the video. So again, I did receive this box for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. Thanks for watching, and I will be leaving that link below in just a few minutes so that you can go check it out. Have a wonderful day.